Welcome to my channel. In these videos, I present on the topics like for abroad education, what are the latest technologies available in different Western countries, and the present video is on engineering to data science. So this is a shift from engineering to data. What is causing the professionals to consider a mid-career switch? All among the decisions we make in our lives, choosing the right career path seems to be most crucial one. Except for a couple of clueless souls, most students know by the time they clear their boards what they aspire to be. A big chunk of them veer towards engineering, MBA, even pursue master's degree in academics, and post completion of their studies they settle for relevant jobs. So far that used to be the happily ever after career story, but in the last couple of years there seems to be a big paradigm shift that is moving from engineering to data science, and it is causing a stir across industries. Professionals having an engineering background or master's degree are opting for a mid-career switch, and a majority of them are opting for data science domain by pursuing a data science course. So, what is pushing them towards data science? Let us investigate. What is causing the career switch? No matter which field someone has chosen for career, achieving stability in a normal goal. However, in many fields, it be it engineering or something else, the job opportunities are not unlimited. In the sense, the job opportunities for data science are not limited. Yet, the number of job seekers is growing every year. So, thereby, one can expect to face a stiff competition grabbing a well paid job. There have been many layoffs in recent times, especially due to the unprecedented situation the world is going through, that is COVID-19 pandemic. Even before that, there were reports of job cuts, and certain sectors not doing well would directly impact the career of thousands. Even if we do not concentrate on extremes, the growth prospect in most places could be limited, and achieving the desired salary or promotion oftentimes become impossible. This leads to not only frustration but uncertainty as well. The demand for big data. If you have not been living as a sannyasi, then you are aware of the data explosion that impacted nearly every industry. The moment everyone understood the power of big data, they started investing the research and in building a system that can handle, store, and process data, which is a storehouse of information. Now, who is going to process data to extract the information? And here comes the new breed of data experts, namely the data scientists who have mastered the technology, having undergone data science training, and are able to develop models and parse through data to deliver the insights. Companies are looking to make informed decisions. The data trend is pushing the boundaries, and as cutting edge technologies like artificial intelligence, machine learning are percolating every aspect of the industries. The demand for avant-garde courses like natural language processing course in Gurgaon is skyrocketing. Lack of trained industry-ready data science professionals. Although big data has started trending as businesses started gathering data from multiple sources, there are many professionals available to handle the data. The trend is only gaining momentum, and if you just check the top job portals such as Glassdoor, Indeed, and go through the ads seeking data scientists, you would immediately know how far the field has traveled. With more and more industries training to big data, the demand for qualified data scientists is shooting up. Why data science is being chosen as the best option? In the 21st century, data science is a field which has plethora of opportunities for the right people, and this is one field which is not only growing but is also poised to grow in future as well. The data scientist is one of the highest paid professionals in today's job market according to the US Bureau of Labor Statistic report. By the year 2026, there is a possibility of creation of 11.5 million jobs in this data science field. Now take a look at the Indian context. From agriculture to aviation, the demand for data scientists would continue to grow as there is a severe shortage of professionals. As per a report, the salary of data scientists could hover around 1052k rupees per annum. And remember, the field is growing, which means there is not going to be a dearth of job opportunities or lucrative pay packages. Data science machine learning certification. The shift, considering all these factors, there has been a conscious shift in the mindset of the professionals who are indeed making a beeline for institutes that offer data science certification. By doing so, they hope to access promising career opportunities, achieve job satisfaction and financial stability, earn more while enjoying job security, work across industries, and also be recruited by industry biggies, gain valuable experience to be in demand for the rest of their career, be a part of domain that promises innovation and evolution instead of stagnation. Keeping in mind the growing demand for professionals and the depth of trained personnel, premier institutes like DexLab Analytics have designed courses that are aimed to build industry-ready professionals. The best thing about such courses is that you can hail from any academic background. Here, you will be taught from scratch so that you can grasp the fundamentals before moving to sophisticated modules. Along with providing data science certification training, they also offer cutting-edge courses such as artificial intelligence certification in Delhi NCR, machine learning training in Gurgaon. Such courses enable the professionals to enhance their skill set and make their mark in a world which is being dominated by big data and artificial intelligence. The faculty consists of skilled professionals who are armed with industry knowledge and hence are in a better position to shape students as per industry demands and standards. The mid-career, which is happening and will continue to happen, there must be professionals who have the expertise to drive an organization towards the future by unlocking their data secrets. However, something must be kept in mind. If you are considering a switch, you need to be ready to meet challenges along with the knowledge of Python. For data science training, you need to have a vision, a hunger, and a love for data to be a successful data scientist. If you like this video, please share among your friends, subscribe my channel, and for the latest updates, please